Welcome to Study Loop.
We can write extract heat upon deposit heat equal to temperature of coal reservoir in Kelvin upon temperature of hot reservoir in Kelvin. So this gives us QC equal to TC upon TH into QH. As temperature of coal reservoir, that is temperature of inside of the room, is 299 Kelvin upon Th, that is temperature of the hot reservoir, which is temperature of outside of the room, that is 312 Kelvin, into deposit heat outside the room, that is 6.12 times 10 to the power 5 joule. This gives us extracted heat from the room equal to 5.86 times 10 to the power 5 joule. That's the answer.